So we did a little unboxing here for some of Mark's safety gadgets or safety materials for working at the farm. So first we got this. What do we have? Harness
for your weed eater. It makes it much more comfortable. I've seen them use them, so I thought I had to have one.
Okay.
So I have a shoulder strap right now, so it does go. This goes over your shoulder, so it puts it on both shoulders, and then you just put your weed eater right there.
Okay, so it's not like, so it's not pulling you down. Yeah, that.
Opens up the teeth, and you got a lot of weed eater to do.
Less pressure.
And so,
Less pressure on your shoulder because it's gonna be hanging on your shoulders. I mean your hips. Aiden. So what's the brand of that one? What's the brand of that one? Maybe take up your sweater.
Stihl. Boy, what are you doing? Apple wanted to save those.
Oh, Aiden is loud.
Yeah.
So you hang that. So that's Stihl. What do you call the
Stihl,
brand?
by
Stihl. S-T-I-H-L. Same brand as your weed eater. Okay.
Okay.
Calling.
Alright. That.
So another one is,
These are for a chainsaw. Some chaps, chainsaw chaps.
oh,
We've been doing a lot of chainsawing out there, and we got a lot more to do over the years. So I figured I might go make a purchase now. Better be safe than sorry.
yes. Because something happened before already, so that was the lesson learned. But that was totally an accident. But it's when your thing got caught with a thing. When you were weed eating and like a stone sharp thing, yeah. Rock pop up on his arm. Yeah, all I did was take off my flannel shirt and tie it up and boom, relax in 10 minutes. Yeah, so what's the brand of that one? Husqvarna. Ooh, nice color too.
It's still a weed eater, but Husqvarna.
Yeah.
These are heavy.
Look, Aiden, look. Is it how thick? Oh my god, they're heavy. Heavy, huh? Nice. Aiden. Okay, let me see the back. Cool. That's a protection when you're what?
Chainsaw.
Chainsaw. Yeah.
So extra protection.
Extra protection. Yeah, it's thick, huh?
Yeah.
Thick. Nice and heavy too. Oh, what is this in here? It's a double-sided thing?
No.
What's that?
This one goes on your leg.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So this goes around. Okay. Let me see the back. Oh, there you go. Cool. Nice. Good choice, baby. And good decision too. Best decision ever. It's all about safety now. Nice.
And then one other thing.
One other thing. Oh my gosh. A humidifier when we were all sick. We do have this purifier here.
That's a purifier.
That's a purifier
This here.
that cleans all the very corner of the house. But this one, we wanted this one when we were sick. We were having like all the coughing and secretions, and yeah,